There has been a dramatic decline in the market recently. Shiba Inu is right on the money. The indications are being dropped by the analysts. Just now, Blackrock revealed something absolutely shocking. The $250 million is in a state of flux. The next objective for the Shiba Inu has been revealed by the crew. Tell me, what's going on? Also, how are we going to make sense of all this? Why am I even bringing this up? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Important. Shiba Inus are acting strangely today. After a slight price increase yesterday, it has since plummeted, which has attracted the attention of analysts. It's significant that they brought up the fact that Shiba Inu couldn't maintain a vital level. This might be one of the worst times for the token this year, as it appears to have fallen below that critical barrier we've been monitoring. Shiba Inu's current price action is highly indicative of the market sentiment as a whole, as it is quite close to its 200-day moving average. Regrettably, it is having difficulty establishing a stable foundation. More selling pressure might be on the horizon if it continues to fall below this average. Traders aren't as interested in Shiba Inus as they once were, which is a contributing factor. Its sudden lack of activity has disappointed many retail investors who were attracted to it when it was soaring. It will be difficult to maintain market interest in Shiba's potential without such thrilling price movements. They argue that if Shiba Inu wants to recover, it must reassert itself at those crucial price points and attract new customers. It might give people hope again if it can recover and cross that critical threshold. But unless there's a dramatic change in attitude or substantial upgrades to its ecosystem, it runs the danger of becoming even less noticeable. Investors are increasingly looking for products that offer more quick returns, putting Shiba Inu in a precarious position. However, let me explain. It appears that the Shiba Inu population is completely unfazed by it. Actually, they've come together in a big way, and the burn front is witnessing some remarkable progress. Overnight, the burn rate increased by a whopping 612%, making it the sole statistic in the ecosystem that is now increasing. Over 3 million Shiba Inu coins were delivered to dormant addresses, according to statistics from Shiba Burn. The community's commitment to lowering the Shiba Inu supply is truly evident in this. Belief in the token's long-term potential is demonstrated by their efforts to fight for it, even when the price isn't looking good. It's encouraging to witness perseverance, especially in challenging circumstances. So, why is this happening? Tell me what's going on? As far as anyone can tell, Bitcoin is heavily involved. Rumor has claimed that the 100K resistance level might be broken soon. For cryptocurrency investors, this week has been an emotional roller coaster, particularly following Monday's inauguration of Trump. The price soared to an all-time high of nearly 109,000 due to the occurrence, but it promptly plummeted. Now, Bitcoin has fallen from that lofty height, falling about 5%. The latest decline in Bitcoin prices, say observers, has created the typical head and shoulders pattern, which could mean bad things are ahead. If this trend continues, Bitcoin might fall another 1.5%, putting it in range of the 100-day moving average. Pessimistic attitude and the technical indicators reveal an influx of selling. Additionally, selling pressure is increasing when the relative strength index, RSI, falls below neutral. If Bitcoin falls below there, its price might begin to decline significantly, perhaps reaching low 900,000. On the other hand, if it can recover, perhaps it will reach the 103,000 mark once more. The Shiba Inu group's efforts to take the lead are entirely reasonable. They're working hard to maintain their current level of operations as the market recovers. Hold on a second. This may be of interest to you. Perhaps now things will start to improve. Recently, Bitcoin's price has been rather stable despite the fall. Now that Bitcoin ETFs have received roughly $250 million in inflows, there is talk about Bitcoin whales going back into the market. Intriguingly, despite Bitcoin's recent market problems, those Bitcoin ETFs nonetheless attracted about $248 million worth of net flows just this Wednesday, demonstrating that institutional demand is still fairly robust. Until the Federal Reserve's interest rate plans are clarified, the market, according to QCP, might remain in a range-bound state. However, it is not all With the CEO of Blackrock's shocking forecast that Bitcoin's value might soon go to 700,000, the anticipation is reaching a fever pitch. At the Bloomberg House in Davos, Larry Fink made this daring claim on Bitcoin. Though cryptocurrency with the largest market cap, while speaking with Bloomberg's Francine Lacroix, that sort of rise may become a reality, he said, if Bitcoin receives wider institutional use. According to Fink, he had a conversation with a sovereign wealth fund not long ago concerning Bitcoin investment. The fund wanted to know if it should put 2% or 5% of its portfolio into Bitcoin. He predicted that Bitcoin's value could reach $500,000, $1 million, or even $700,000 if everyone got on board. However, he hastily clarified that he was not endorsing this in any way. The intriguing part is Fink's perspective on Bitcoin as a possible substitute for gold and a protection against currency problems and political unrest. Using it as an investment instrument is something I wholeheartedly support, he said. Consequently, why does a Shiba Inu need to know about Bitcoin? Shiba Inu and other altcoins will undoubtedly benefit if Bitcoin does indeed start that bull run that many are looking for. Is it possible that we will recover from our recent setbacks? Is another monumental bull run similar to the one in 2021 about to happen? It will be revealed in due course. Absolutely. Shiba Inus will benefit greatly from Bitcoin's meteoric rise in value. Everyone on the Shiba Inu crew is looking forward to what the future holds and is trying to guess when a new alternate season might premiere. Particularly optimistic about the future is Lucy, who heads up marketing for Shiba Inus. Despite Bitcoin's latest surge, which has seen it reach a new all-time high, she maintains that the long-awaited alt season for tokens such as Shiba Inu is still on the horizon. Lucy tweeted her optimism that Shiba Inu and other alternative cryptocurrencies will soon see greater success. She hinted at some potentially revolutionary developments in the cryptocurrency field and said that the next 4 years might be interesting when she thinks altcoins like Shiba Inu will see big price swings. The Shiba Inu community can take heart from the fact that this type of positivity is circulating. The Shiba Inu may reawaken dormant interest and enthusiasm if Bitcoin begins to prosper. Ultimately, we must keep in mind that our focus should not be limited to maximizing profits. Lucy, an influential member of the Shiba Inu community, tweeted some insightful advice not long ago, reminding us that money is merely a means, an end revolves around the ebb and flow of prices. Collaboratively creating something significant is also important. Members can stay motivated and focused on the broader picture as the token navigates its present ups and downs with this approach. The Shiba Inu community stands to gain a lot from its continued development and evolution, both as a meme token and as an integral aspect of a larger movement. While we wait for future bull runs and possible profits, let us not forget to let the Shiba Inu community feel free and at peace. Optimism like that has the potential to pave the way for better things to come. However, how do you feel about this? Leave a comment in the space provided below. Make sure you click on one of the videos you see on the screen if you are keen to find out more. After that, the video comes to a close. If you found the video enjoyable, please enable channel notifications. You risk losing money if you don't update your Shiba Inu when they need it, therefore it is not worth the danger. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you could forward this video to everyone you know. We need to spread the word about this.